everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to open my sweet Kawaii design. Sorry, I have to move you guys a little bit. I believe that this is the monthly subscription. I don't know, I placed an order too, so I'm not sure which one came first. Let me check. No, this is my order. Oh gosh, I'm excited. So this is my order. This isn't the monthly. This is my order. And look at this box. It's so cute. I like it a lot. Thank you for supporting our small business. And it comes in nice packaging. And I actually will try to rip this off or cut it out. And I cut out those little guys and I use it in my planner. Or you can put it on a present or whatever you might like to do. But they're so cute, and you just cut them out, and oh, I love them. Okay, so I got, this is a freebie. This is a Stress Awareness Month. Go outside, unplug from social media, go for a walk, phone a friend, take a deep breath. And this was the freebie. I think I ordered on a Friday, and she has Friday freebies. And then you also get a little one with this, with the little guys, and then another, this was a freebie that everyone gets. Cleanup, system error, farmer's market, and pancakes. And then it tells you about their pins. This is vinyl, so you do have to be careful about what pin you use on these. But they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Sun's out, buns out. That's so cute. We hope you enjoy your new goodies. If you share your items on social media, be sure to tag us. So this is so cute. I'm loving it. Look at his little face and his little bum. Oh my word. I ordered these. I thought these were adorable, and it just says hello, and it's a cute little typewriter. Super cute. I think I'm going to share these with a friend. And then here are some page flags with all of her little critters on it. And this one is funny. I work in IT, so I really like that. I think it's cute. And it is called Over It. And his name is George. So it's George Over It. And then this one's really cute. It has all the different orders. And this is a Kawaii sticker addict. And it says, need more stickers, placed order, order shipped. Need more stickers, placed order, order shipped. And then it has all the, it has both the little guys down here. And this is the itty bitty size. I try to get the itty bitty size. And these are teeny weeny coffee cups. And they are teeny weeny, but they're really cute. And my cat's talking to me. Hi, Fuzz. And then I thought this was cute. It is a, what do they call these? Laminated pencil board. And you put this in your traveler's notebook. You put it behind the page that you're writing on so that you have a nice surface to write on and it won't bleed through to the next page. And also it's kind of just a bookmark, and it's just cute. And I have a friend, Lisa, who will really like this. So I got one for her and I got one for me. And those are just really cute, just laminated and cute. And then it looks like finally I got the TV show tracker. And this is a whole sheet that will fit right in your planner. And you can write down the name of the show that you like, the channel, the season, the air date and time, and then you can cross off the episodes as you watch it. And then it says binge it, start date, end date, and then you can rate it. So I thought that I'd been watching a little bit more TV, and I kind of like keeping track of the shows and which ones I like and which ones, you know, weren't quite as good as I thought they might be. So this might be a good way to do that. I thought it was cute, and I love those little guys. So that's what I got from Sweet Kawaii, and I will be doing another video as soon as I get my subscription package, so you can see that as well. But check her stickers out because I love them. They're vinyl. Some people don't like that, and I totally get it. You have to do what you like, but I happen to love them, so it works out for me. And that is everything I got. Yay! Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.